Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and today is the 6th, as most all of you know. It's not the 99th day of May yet, it's just the 6th. And I had quite a few that have asked, could I show the preview of the May kit? And I was trying my best to get all of the labels printed and get all of those kits out the door on time today, so that's why I'm running a little late on showing the kit. But we have it here in front of us. Let me move this over here. We'll just start from the beginning. You will get your normal bag. These are waterproof, and they're, I don't know, they've got that, what do you call that? That netting in them. So you get your zip bag. You get that. The paper this month is I Love Summer. And it's some really pretty papers. Let's flip through these real quick. It's got lots of cutouts in it. Umbrellas, bathing suits, sunglasses, pineapples, flip-flops. I love that. And I love this page. Sun and fun. I know we're all ready to get back out after all of this staying at home stuff. So there's a cute page. I'm just flipping through it real quick. Most of you may have seen some of this before. There's the little bicycles, the beach ball, and then I think, no, let's see. There's the little floating girl, and then that's a really pretty page, that floral. And then there's another bathing suit page, and then it starts over. So you get two of each one, and there's 24 double-sided sheets in here, so you get that. And then you'll get a glitter sticker sheet. This is from Forever in Time, and they're 3D stickers. So let's see if you can, I don't know if you're going to be able, there you go, you can see the glitter on those. And of course this is summer themed, so it's going to go with what you your papers and all of that. So those are cute. I can't wait to use some of those. I hope I have some left. And then you're going to get a pack of flip-flops. These are funky flip-flops, and they're from Buttons Galore and More. And they're so they're like flip-flop buttons. I couldn't say that. But you can cut that little back off if you want to use them for something other than buttons. I do that all the time on my buttons. But I think those are super cute. They're real detailed. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You might can. And then you're going to get a little pack of flowers. These are handmade flowers that we got in. And they're in that pretty, pretty pink. And they're almost like a velvet in there. So you get, I think there's 16 in a pack, I believe, something like that. And then you're going to get a bag of, these are different kinds of sequins that go with the paper collection. They've got the yellows and the greens and the purples and the reds and the pinks and all that. And they're flowers. All of them are flowers. So you're going to get that. And then we have little umbrellas. Let's see if I can show these. I don't know if I'll be able to show them. Maybe. There's a different color one. They're different color little umbrellas, and they're umbrella brads. So they have the little brad on the back of them. So you get a pack of those. Oops, I had to take them out so I could see them. And then you get a Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Spray. Now, I will tell you, I tried my best to get a stencil to go with this. And I couldn't order a stencil from anywhere. I tried. I couldn't get enough. I could get maybe 10 or 5 or 7, but I couldn't get as many as we needed. So next month in the kit, I'm going to try my best to have a stencil in there, and then we can use more of this. We can still use this. This is really, really good to dye your papers with. If anyone out there is interested in dyeing your papers, I use these all the time to dye my papers with. It makes a beautiful paper. It's almost like a blueberry dyed paper. It's called Salty Ocean is what this one's called. Now, I think I had to get two different kinds because I bought all they had of this one. I think the other one is Faded Jean, but they're real close. They're, you know, they're not that far apart. So, and then of course you get bling. I don't think I've put a kit out yet that I didn't put bling in. This is the little rhinestones, and they're pink rhinestones. There we go. So you get some of those. You get I think it's right at a yard of the, excuse me, of the vintage seam binding from Cindy's Vintage Cafe. And this is the vintage. And then you get a yard of this really pretty string. And all of it may be different. Let me just show you a little handful of string. I haven't got all this rolled up yet. This extra. So it's different colors, and it goes with the colors in your paper. And it's like a baker's twine. It's that thickness. So you get, I think it's about a yard of that. And let's see. Then you get a really pretty mirror shine. I guess this is a mirror cardstock. That's what it's called. But it's like a mirror cardstock. And we're going to try our best. As you can see, this one I've already put a few little scratches on just by picking up things. So we're going to try our best to put this between all of your other cardstock so that maybe this will not get damaged. I know last time that we sent some mirror cardstock out, the postman had quite a field day with it. So we're going to try our best to keep this from getting damaged. But the only thing that we can do is put it between your cardstock and then put it in a bag and hope for the best, because there's no way we can guarantee it. But I wanted to send some mirror cardstock with this kit because I love this mirror cardstock and it goes real well with your paper. And then you'll get a sheet of the blue cardstock and then 2 sheets of the yellow. This is like a, I don't know what kind of yellow you would call this. This is called lemonade. There you go. That's called lemonade. And then you get 2 sheets of this, and this is called vanilla. And then you will get, and you will get a half of a sheet of acetate. I'm going to have half these because the whole sheet won't go in your container, in your box, because these are 12 by 12, so I'll half it and I'll give you a half a sheet of these. But I haven't halved this one yet, so you get a half sheet of the acetate, and that's going to be plenty to do what we're going to be doing with this. So we're going to be making some shaker cards and different things to use this with. All right, so that is the May kit. Let me lay this back out so you can see it. I love this mirror cardstock, but it is very easy to scratch, and that's the only thing I don't like about it. So there's the flowers. I love these sequins. Love, love, love those. And the flip-flops. And then your little stickers. And then here's your paper, your vintage seam binding, and your little umbrellas, umbrella brads. Those are going to be so cute to use. And there is your Distress Oxide spray, and then there is your bag. So that is the May kit, and I think we only have, I counted them a few minutes ago, I think we only have 5 left, I do believe. I will put the link to the extras down below, but I think it's 5. Maybe 4, but I'm going to say 5. But if you want one, you can do a one-time purchase on it, or you can go ahead and sign up. If you sign up now, you'll be signing up for the June kits, because all of the May kits are already situated and all that kind of stuff. So if you sign up now, your first kit will be the June kit. All right, guys, that is it for our kits, and I will have the extras posted below. There may be some extra paper pads as well, so I'll post those below too. And there'll be a link for you to go over to the store and get those if you want one. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.